Well, I'm on the farm here, and I've got some drone footage of my 1977 Massey Ferguson 1105 farm tractor, and it's pulling a John Deere 335 round baler. The baler makes a 4x4 string-tied round bale, and this was some April of 2024 first cutting hay. We basically clipped this field so that we could focus on second cutting hay, and so kind of shaking out the baler a little bit too. But the drone is a Mavic Mini. It's the original Mavic Mini, and I'm kind of doing a voiceover here at the very beginning of the video. This will not be a very long voiceover, and then the balance of the video will continue without it. But I've been trying out some software, some Follow Me software. I've tried out Maven and Lychee. The DJI software does not have any kind of Follow Me mode for this drone, and basically what I'm running here today is the Lychee software, Litchi, and it follows the GPS from your phone, which in this case is the controller is plugged to the drone controller. And so wherever I go, the drone just follows, and I can set it a prescribed distance away in the height. And I don't put it too far up or too far away. I like to be able to see the drone from the tractor. But this is just some really light first cutting hay, and thought I'd capture a little bit with the drone and just get our hay season kicked off in a little bit different video format. So hope you'll enjoy the video. Hit the like button, subscribe, comment, share. There's more to come here on the farm as far as haying goes. We're just getting started. We've got some new fields we're trying to get online, and it's a busy time of year for us with the day job and trying to farm after hours, and equipment upgrades and repairs. So looking forward to getting into a busy hay season here in 2024. There'll be more drone videos, and talk to you later.